Okay, so I'm going to upload some documents. Let's do my speech on a serial killer. So to stretch it out, you click that arrow and you just start stretching it out, I guess, just like that. So just pretty much just messing with it and giving yourself room to stretch it out. It's a little touchy. So compared to that, okay, so I noticed that when you do this, it won't get stuck to your arrow, but if you were to do like the corner one, let's see, corner, I mean by that, oh, that one didn't get stuck. Okay, so yeah, I guess you could stretch it out that way. I don't know how it would save as a PDF though. Again, let me do it. So you click on your arrow, stretch it out. I would drag it up a little bit to just stretch it out a little bit more. And now to delete, you could either click it, delete selected object, or go to tools and clear. And that should work for you. Let me know if this helps.